How to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. The first thing you want to do is download and install both the Sweatcoin and Sweat Wallet app on your device. If you have not downloaded this, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, you want to open the Sweatcoin app on your device and log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to open the Sweat Wallet app and log in over here as well. Once you log in using the same credentials that you used in Sweatcoin, your account will be linked. Now, once Sweatcoin and Sweat Wallet has been linked, you want to open the Sweatcoin app on your device. Now, your steps will be displayed over here on the home screen. Now, if you tap on the balance icon at the top right corner of your screen, your current balance is going to be displayed over here. Go ahead and tap on the log into Sweat Wallet option over here, or you can basically launch open the Sweat Wallet app on your device. Now, as you can see, the balance is loading. After that, your balance will appear over here. So that means once your accounts are linked, your existing Sweat coins will be displayed in the Sweat wallet automatically. If your Sweat coins does not appear automatically, then you want to sync your balance. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.